Hi guys, I know I posted a lot of videos last week about how to avoid bullet points, but I've just come out of a meeting with a customer of ours and the same subject came up again. So I'm going to make one final video about the importance of avoiding bullet points, and I'm going to do it using this coffee cup. Okay, wait, just wait. Okay. This is a good coffee. Now, imagine that the contents of this cup is your audience's attention, and the cup itself is your presentation. Every time you add a bullet point to your slide deck, you lose some attention. And the more bullet points you add, the more attention just pours out of your presentation. People don't want to sit through bullet point after bullet point after bullet point. And if you keep presenting in this way, well, I've just spent £3 on this coffee. Imagine how much money you spend getting people to your event to listen to your presentation, how much time and effort you put into building your presentation. And if we just deliver with bullet points all the time, this is what we get. I was enjoying that.